6th grade, Module 4, Lesson 29, Problem Set. Create tables to solve the problems and then check your answers with the word problems. Number 1, on average, a baby uses 3 times the number of large diapers as small diapers and double the number of medium diapers as small diapers. If the average baby uses 2,940 diapers, size large and small, how many of each size would be used? Okay, so I'm going to start with a table. And we have small, medium, and large diapers and the totals. I'm going to have 4 columns. We have small, medium, large, and total. So we know that on average, a baby uses 3 times the number of large diapers as small diapers. So 3 times the number of large diapers for small diapers. For every 1 small diaper, there's 3 large diapers. And then double the number of medium diapers as small diapers. So double the small diapers is medium. So double of 1, it would be 2. So our total here is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. And then we know that the average baby uses 2,940 diapers. So our actual total is 2,940. So we're going to take 2,940 and split it into 6 equal parts so that then we can find how many parts belong to small, medium, and large. So we have 2,940 divided by 6. So 6 can't go into 2. It goes into 29 4 times. That would be 24. And bring down the 4. 6 goes into 54 9 times. 9 times 6 is 54. We have 0. And so all we have left is a 0 to bring down. And there's nothing else to bring down. And 6 can go into 0 times. So our answer for 2,940 divided by 6 is 490. So since small is only one part, that would be 490 diapers, 490 small diapers. Medium would be 2 groups of 490. So let's do 490 times 2. So this is for medium. 9 times 2 is 18. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9, so that'd be 980 medium diapers. And then large is 3 parts. So large, let's do 490 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So 1,470 large diapers. So we can say that small would be 490 diapers. This is a lot of diapers. Medium be 980 diapers. And large would be 1,470 diapers. Number 2, Tom has 3 times as many pencils as pens, but has a total of 100 writing utensils. How many pencils does Tom have? How many more pencils than pens does Tom have? Okay, so let's start with a chart. We have pencils, pens, and then total, so just 3. So he has 3 times as many pencils as pens. So 3 times as many pencils, 3 pencils for every 1 pen. So then our total would be 4. And he has a total of 100 writing utensils. So for each part, let's do 100 divided by 4. 100 divided by 4 is 25. or we can work it out if you want. So that would be 2. Bring down the 0, 4 goes into 20, it's 25. So 1 part is 25, so there'd be 25 pens, and then pencils would be 25 times 3, which is 75. So there are 75 pencils and 25 pens. So how many pencils does Tom have? He has 75 pencils. How many more pencils? So part B says how many more pencils than pens does Tom have? So how many more pencils than pens? How many more means we're going to subtract 75 minus 25 would be equal to 50. So he has 50 more pencils than pens. Okay, number 3. Serena's mom is planning her birthday party. She bought balloons, plates, and cups. Serena's mom bought twice as many plates as cups. The number of balloons Serena's mom bought was half the number of cups. If Serena's mom bought 84 items, how many of each item did she buy? Let's start with A before we confuse ourselves with more questions. So let's figure out A and then we'll move on. So we have balloons, plates, cups, and then we're going to have total. So I'm going to use 4 columns. Balloons, plates, cups, and total. So she bought twice as many plates as cups. So twice as many plates, 2 plates for every 1 cup. And the balloons was half the number of cups. So half of a balloon for every cup. Now I don't want fractions, so what I'm going to do is multiply this to get this into a whole number. I'm going to multiply it by 2 to make it 1, because 1/2 times 2. So since I multiplied that by 2, let's multiply them all by 2. So our total will be 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, now we know that she bought a total of 84 items. So our total here is going to be 84. So let's figure out how many, if we took 84 and split it into the 7 equal pieces, what we would have. So 7 goes into 8 once. 7 goes into 14 twice. So there would be 1 part is 12. So we would have 12 balloons. Now we need 4 parts. 12 times 4 is equal to 48. So there would be 48 plates and cups. 12 times 2 is 24. So there would be 24 cups. We would have 12 balloons. So for A, 12 balloons, 48 plates, and 24 cups. All right, part B. Tammy brought 12 balloons to the party. How many total balloons were at Serena's birthday party? So someone named Tammy brings 12 more balloons. So we have Tammy's 12 balloons plus the 12 balloons that are already there. 12 plus 12, that would give us 24 total balloons. And C, if half the plates and all but 4 cups were used during the party, how many plates and cups were used? So C, we have half the plates. So there were 48 plates. So 48 divided by 2. So half of them. So we have 24 plates were used and all but 4 cups. So all but 4 cups. So 24 minus 4 would be 20 cups. So we would have 24 plates used and 20 cups were used. Number 4. Elizabeth has a lot of jewelry. She has 4 times as many earrings as watches, but half the number of necklaces as earrings. Elizabeth has the same number of necklaces and bracelets. If Elizabeth has 117 pieces of jewelry, how many earrings does she have? Support your answer with an equation. Okay, so I'm going to start with a chart here. We have earrings, watches, necklaces, bracelets, and then we're going to do the total. So that's 5 columns. Earrings, watches, necklaces, bracelets, total. Okay, she has 4 times as many earrings as watches. So I'm going to start with 4 times as many earrings as watches. For every 4 earrings, 1 watch. But half the number of necklaces as earrings. So then it gives us half as many necklaces as earrings. So half of 4 would be 2. And she has the same number of necklaces as bracelets. So whatever necklaces is going to be the same as bracelets. So necklaces is 2, bracelets is also 2. So our total, 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 2 is 9. And we know she had a total of 117 pieces of jewelry. So let's find out what each part would be by doing 117 divided by 9. 9 can't go into 1, it goes into 11 once. Bring down the 7. 9 goes into 27 3 times. 27. Okay, so each part would be 13. So the watches is 1 part, so she has 13 watches. Let's do necklaces next. So necklaces would be 2 parts of that. So 13 times 2, which is 26. So she has 26 necklaces and the same 26 bracelets. And then earrings is 4 parts. So 13 times 4 would be 52. So she has 52 earrings. Okay, so we can say 52 earrings, 13 watches, 26 necklaces, and 26 bracelets. Part 2 says to support your answer with an equation. So we're going to just turn this basically into an equation. So she has, we're going to use, let's put it in terms of watches, because watches is the 1, so it represents 1. So we can say 4W, so 4 groups of watches, plus just W, plus 2W, plus another 2W, representing the necklaces and the bracelets, is equal to 117, total of 117. So then all of that is 9W would be equal to 117. So we could do 9W divided by 9 would be equal to 117 divided by 9, which would mean that, and we already did 117 divided by 9 right here. So we know that W is equal to 13. And then you just need to plug everything back in and do, so 4W would be equal to 4 times 13, or 52 earrings. W is equal to, just W is equal to 13. So that would be 13 watches. 2W is equal to 2 times 13, or 26 bracelets. And then another 2W is equal to 2 times 13 again, and 26 necklaces. So that's how you can do it with an equation. All right, Claudia was cooking breakfast for her entire family. She made double the amount of chocolate chip pancakes as she did regular pancakes. She only made half as many blueberry pancakes as she did regular pancakes. Claudia also knows her family loves sausage, so she made triple the amount of sausage as blueberry pancakes. How many of each item did Claudia make if she cooked 90 items in total? Okay. So we have chocolate chip, regular, blueberry, and sausage, and then total. So I'm going to make 5 columns. Chocolate chip, regular, blueberry, sausage, and total. Okay, she made double the amount of chocolate chip pancakes as regular. So for every 2 chocolate chip pancakes, there was 1 regular. She only made half as many blueberry pancakes as regular. So for every regular one, there was half of a blueberry. And she also knows her family loves sausage, so she made triple the amount of sausage as blueberry. So 1.5, triple that. So 1.5 times 3 would, half times 3 would be 1.5. So we don't want fractions, right? So what I'm going to do to get rid of 1/2 is multiply by 2, which will give me 1. If I multiply this by 2, 1.5 times 2 is 3. This times 2 would be 2, and 2 times 2 would be 4. So now my total would be 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. So my total is 10, and we know that she cooked 90 items in total. So this is great. 90 divided by 10 is equal to 9. So that was an easy conversion. So each part is 9. So since blueberry is the one that's 1 part, she made 9 blueberry pancakes. Let's go back to chocolate chip. So chocolate chip would be 9 times 4, which is equal to 36 chocolate chip pancakes. Regular would be 9 times 2, which is 18 regular pancakes, and 9 times 3 for sausage, so she made 18 pieces of sausage. So we can say 36 chocolate chip pancakes, 18 regular pancakes, 9 blueberry pancakes, and 18, what did they call them? Pieces of sausage? Oh wait, I did that wrong. 9 times 3 is an 18. Guys, I hope you caught that. 9 times 3 is 27. So let's fix that mistake here. Glad I caught that. 9 times 3 is 27, so 27 pieces of sausage. There we go. Okay, part B. After everyone ate breakfast, there were 4 chocolate chip pancakes, 5 regular pancakes, 1 blueberry pancake, and no sausage left. How many of each item did the family eat? So, let's see if I have room down here. So there were 4 chocolate chip pancakes left. We started with 36. So 36 minus 4 would be 32. So the family ate 32 chocolate chip. They ate 32 chocolate chip. They were 5 regular pancakes left, so they started with 18. So 18 minus 5 is 13 regular pancakes left. There were, 1 blueberry pancake left, and they started with 9. So 9 minus 1, there would be, they ate 8 blueberry. And then sausage, they started with 27 pieces of sausage, and there was none left. So, and they ate all of the sausage. 27 minus 0 would be 27 sausage. Okay, number 6, the last one. During a basketball game, Jeremy scored triple the number of points as Donovan. Colby scored double the number of points as Donovan. If the 3 boys scored 36 points, how many points did each boy score? Okay, so we have 3 boys and a total, which is going to give me 4 columns. Jeremy, Donovan, and Colby, and then our total. Okay, Jeremy scored triple the number of points as Donovan. So for every 3 points Jeremy scored, Donovan scored 1. Colby scored double the number of points as Donovan. So double Donovan, double number 1 would be 2. So our total is going to be 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 6. And they scored 36 points together. So let's do 36 divided by 6 to find each part would be 6. So each part is 6. So if Donovan scored 1 part, that would be 6. 2 times 6 would be 12. So Colby scored 12 points. And then 3 times 6 is 18. So Jeremy scored 18 points. So Jeremy, 18 points. Donovan, 6 points. Colby, 12 points. Okay, support your answer with an equation. So looking at my chart here, I'm going to choose the person to be the variable who is just 1. So that's going to be Donovan. So I'm going to use Donovan as D. So Jeremy would be 3 of Donovan's points plus Donovan is just 1 Donovan plus Colby was 2 of Donovan's points. 2D, and they all added up to 36 points. So 3D plus D plus 2D is 6D. So 6D is equal to 36. If we want to get D alone, we need to divide by 6. So 6D divided by 6 is equal to 36 divided by 6, which is 6. So D is equal to 6. And then we can figure out each person by doing 3. So 3D, or Jeremy, is equal to 3 times 6, or 18 points. D is equal to 6, which would be equal to 6 points, and that's Donovan. And then Colby was 2D, which would be 2 times 6, or 12 points. And that is all.